Hello dear traders, Shibarmy, welcome back one more time here with Eric Munoz in Lion Bull Academy. Let's make the one analysis, daily and intraday analysis of Shib, okay? Because I looking in the chat of Shibarmy, a lot of person asking always the good entry point for increase the position in this token. So I will like to share with you some every day I can to share with you which are the interesting point for re-enter in the market and who make day trading also to find a nice opportunity to trade a little bit. Personally, I am just to buy and hold, and I will don't trade this token, only buy and hold. So let's start. Let's go looking here. The first graphic that I can show you here is in 5-minute chart. Was take the screenshot in 8:23 in the morning. Now we are in 9:21, but still we are in the similar zone of price. So in this 5-minute chart with the pivot point, I can show you some interesting point that maybe they will don't come, but if they come, they are really great enter opportunity. We can see that we are above the center pivot point, that is the 67. So from here, the more probably is that we continue up to the next resistance level of 79, and then finally go and broke the 100 and like this to the moon. But it happened that we broke below and start correction. The very good and really great entry point will be the 48, and the next one will be the 36. But remember, they are very unlikely that we arrive to this level. Now, let's go looking the Fibonacci in 1 hour time frame. Like this, you can also see what is happening here. So in 1 hour time frame, we can see that we have a very strong bullish movement, really uptrend, very stronger, and then we start a healthy correction. This is completely normal to get a correction after so incredible and strong movement in an uptrend. It's normal to see a correction. So if we draw in here a Fibonacci, we can see very important level on the 38 level and the 50 level. In the correction, we touch the 50 level, then we go up again, broke again the 38, and now we are above the 38. So here, very nice entry point would be the 65, that is where is the 38.2, and the 58. These two are very nice entry point for accumulate and re-enter in the market. Actually, we are in 71. Can happen that the price will go a little bit more down for continue this kind of triangle that he's drawing here. And we touch again the 38. I will be a nice interesting entry point, and from here pull back to new all-time high, and finally we broke this zero. Or can happen that the price continue the correction and go back to touch again the 58, the 50 level, and from here go up. So these two entry point of 50, 65 and 58 are nice entry point for accumulate new SHIB tokens. Let's go to the next. Next we have the possible nice resistance levels, okay, support levels with moving average. Let's explain also a little bit about them. So we have first the red moving average, the 50 period time frame moving, the 50 period moving average, that is at 67. So if the price pull back and go to 67, 67 is a nice entry point for try to get to this new all-time high. If the price continue pull back, we have a nice entry in the 55. You can see very similar to the other level in Fibonacci that was 58. So in the 55, nice entry point for again go to try to get this new all-time high. And their third entry point interesting will be the 42, almost 43. Now let's look in the 1 day time frame with a Fibonacci. One of my favorite ways to find a good entry is to use the Fibonacci. So we have a very strong uptrend, really strong momentum here. Then we get a correction in these candles here, and you can see that touch the 38 exactly here. Maybe we can zoom here, touch the 38 here. So interesting point 58 and 48. These two are interesting entry point if the price pull back again, for we enter and try to get this 100 finally, and we broke that zero. Can happen that the price continue going down here to the 58, to the 48, and then we can go again up. But the 48 is very unlikely. The 58 can be still possible if we want to re-enter, but if we are in this zone, I will don't enter at the moment because we are just in a possible lateral for a little bit time before broke. This is a zone of accumulation, and I don't like to enter in accumulation zone. I like to enter in support zone. Other interesting point to enter, if we broke the 87, also is nice to enter because this means we probably gonna go broke the 100 also. So I hope you enjoy the video. I hope you understand how to make a simple analysis and find good entry point in the market just by looking chart. Remember, I almost forget to say, if we arrive to 30,000 subscribers, still we are far, but doesn't matter when we arrive to 30,000 subscribers, I will use half of the money I will make in YouTube in advertisement for buy Shib, and half of this Shib that I bought I will burn. So thank you one more time for looking at the video. See you next time. Ciao guys.